Well, hello, all you fans of Munro and Associates. I really appreciate the fact that you've sent us in some donations. And today it's the lucky day. We're starting to give some of these things out. So before I do that, let me reach in here and grab a ticket. So our first ticket, let's get the number here, 7625. So 7625 is going to get this shield for the spring, and that would be Matt Rennick. So Matt Rennick has got this thing. We got to keep this with that. So very top secret. So there you go. So that's Matt. That's for you. So let's go to the next one, and this one was also advertised as one of our things, and this is the Lone Bolt. This is the lone bolt that came out from the trunk trim area, and let me just find one single ticket, and here we go. And this is 7275. So if you are 7275, and we'll find out who that is, it's Sam Riviera. Hey, not bad. Good name too. So Sam Riviera, this is on the way. It'll be on the way on Monday. Okay, so now these are like surprise gifts. This is the side marker, and also I think it's a side marker and also a camera. So let's reach in here and see who's going to be the lucky person here. They're glued together. Here we go. 7752. So 7752 is going to, like I say, get this corner marker. Comes complete with one of our official tags. So it's Vigran Wang. So Vigran Wang, this is yours, and it's coming in your direction shortly. I just got to keep everything together. And then here we've got, let's pull the name first, and then I'll tell you what it is. So we're looking at 7617. Okay, so this is actually part of the break. This is the Caliper Bracket that fits on the left front, left front caliper for the rear side. So this is going to be going to James. Oh my gosh, SIEGAOENGART. I can't pronounce that at all. So I have no idea who this is, but James, this is on the way for you. So here we go. Now, let's get to the real mystery. We gave out a special prize. A very special prize. This prize is not something that you were expecting. It's something that we thought you'd really get a kick out of. Okay? And here it is. Ta-da! You didn't think it was that thing in back of me, did you? Sure. Yeah. Anyways, our number now is 7606. 7606. You are now the proud owner of a rear fascia left-hand bracket. This will be something that your children and grandchildren will appreciate and revere forever. And that's for Patrick Ferreira. So Patrick, this is for you. And anybody that saw anything in back of me, it was probably an optical illusion. So now we've gotten our gifts out of the way. We're probably not going to be doing this again because we think that things are going to go well with selling parts. And what we've decided to do, because of the coronavirus and all the other stuff, we have a hospital that had to lay off a bunch of people. And Munro's in bad shape, but we're not that bad of shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over here and try not to mess anything up. And this check will be going off to the people at Beaumont Hospital. who had to lay off a bunch of folks. So the number that we got here was $2,750. I think it's a little more than that, but we rounded it up. And what we're going to do, or I'm going to do, is just sign this, and it says, "Thanks for your bravery and for keeping us all safe." So there we go, and that's going to be going to the folks over at Beaumont Hospital on Monday, I guess. It's the first time that we'll be probably able to do something like that. But I'd like to thank you all for helping us out. I changed maybe the schedule a little bit to help these folks out, but I'm pretty sure that we'll all feel better knowing that the people who are here to protect us are getting a little something from us as well. So share. And speaking of sharing, share your wealth with the cashiers. They're risking their lives so you can buy toilet paper. I think it'd be great if you just handed it off to them. And again, thank you so much. Have a great day. And we're signing off now. Thank you.